Come. Ask one and answer. That is not the only thing. Some people claim they saw Sabina Makosa going to want Agbarawani herself. Did you hear that one too?
You are still saying going. Eh? She won her and came out on hot.
That woman must have some powers backing her up. Can an ordinary woman dare that? But do you know my greatest joy? My joy is that we now have somebody in this village cutting down Kemuna's wing. Who could imagine she will one day be touched?
But I'm saying Agbarawani must do something. Because that woman is just too powerful. Yeah, I'm scared.
If they like, let them do. Chinyaka, trust me now. You know what I can do. I am going to meet that girl Isioma Makosa to be her friend. If you like, stay here.
Do you think that she will accept us?
It's now both of us, Abby.
We will say no to that. After all, we have a lot to benefit from her.
Now you're talking like my friend. Let me wait for you. The water is not enough. What happened?
We don't have water at home. We just want
sorry, to... Thank you. Don't mind her. Kemina. Everywhere.
Lady K. Agbarawani needs to do something about this woman and her daughter. They can't just come into this land and trespass this land with impurity. And what are you?
My mother has been difficult concerning those two. And the thing is, she doesn't want to share anything she knows about them to anyone.
What else? Everybody already knows that that woman and her daughter are solid witches. Lady K, just simply persuade her, let her perfect the destruction, that's all.
That is just the point. Their target is to hijack the captain badge from you and then take every other thing that is belonging to you.
No way. As a matter of fact, my mother asked me to hold my peace, but she is saying to their destruction. So Lady K, how long do we fold our hands and watch this witch, this sign in this village? How long? Lady K, Tanya, you mean shine your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Why are you girls talking like you don't know who Lady K is? If you girls know what is in my heart or in my mother's heart, you won't stand before me and talk like this. And you know what? I don't know whatever they call themselves, Sesenyon or Sabina Makosa. My mother is saying to their destruction soon.
Lady Keke! I trust her. Don't worry. She has already said everything.
You have not eaten or spoken to anyone for some days now.
Nwaka, I confided in you that my coming to this village with my daughter is for a revenge. And the only way I can achieve that revenge is through Makosa joints that I'm running. Why do you want to starve yourself to death? Why? Over something that will bring fulfillment to your desire. Nwaka, I beg you please, I beg you.
Please, don't kneel for me, please. Hey, Sabina, you don't have to kneel for me. See, I don't have problem with your desire to pay back our people with the evil they did to our family. But what with Makosa dancing? Hey? Makosa dancing is another pattern of madness.
No! Makosa dance is just like any other dance. It has nothing to do with madness.
Sabina, that is how they consider it in this village. That is how they consider it. See, we have so many other business you can do in our land. Not Makosa. See, take for instance, farming. Farming is a very lucrative business. Very lucrative.
I'm not looking for the one that is more lucrative. I'm looking for the one that will help me achieve my mission. We don't have time before the people find out who we are.
Come.
What?
How true is this rumor running around that Olisana runs after Seseyon the Makosa dancer? He no longer wants Kemuna his betrothed.
Odnaka, there's something I want to beg you. You see, when matters concern two spiritual giants, count me out.
How?
This is the first time Abaranwan would have a contender in this village. Sabina the Makosa and the daughter Seseyon. It is said when two elephants fight, the grass suffers it most. I don't want to be the grass in this issue. I repeat myself again. I don't want to be the grass.
Why are you afraid of everything?
Why would I be afraid? That is the only way you can escape from the troubles of this world. Our elders call it wisdom.
Alright. Remember we have meeting at the Makosa joint this evening.
Get out. Oh, you are talking. You talk like a human being. Meanwhile, when coming, put in choncho for your pocket.
Okay, yeah, guys,
you don't want to buy me drink. I've been buying for you since all.
Go. Seseyon, I know what happened there. I know it was because of what happened at the farm the other day. See, let me tell you, I'm very sorry. It will not happen again. I cannot stay in this village and allow anyone in this village lay his or her hand on you. Seseyon, see, nobody will ever touch you. Trust me. A beautiful girl like you cannot just be walking on your foot in this village. I wish they had what they call it, airport. You are supposed to be flying. I don't mean the other kind of flying.
What do you mean by that, Kono?
What I'm trying to say is that you are supposed to be flying inside the aeroplane, inside aircraft, and not witchcraft.
Ulisa funny boy, yo.
Yes, funny boy, yo.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? What do you want, yo?
Okay, I just want to give you a lift, a ride.
Oui?
Oui.
I don't want trouble, Kwano. You give me trouble, I give you trouble, Kwano. No. 2 times, Kwano.
So no trouble, no shaking. I'm in charge, fully in charge, yo. We ride. Oui.
I don't want trouble, Kwano.
I'm in charge, I'm telling you.
English or French, talk a many how you like you. It be say, I like your way. Very beaucoup. You name me for beaucoup. I love you beaucoup.
When did people become roadblock in this village? When? Governor, when did people become roadblock in this village?
Don't climb this bike again. Did you hear me?
What will you do? What will you do to her?
Get her!
Get who? See, let me tell you, nobody can put her in this village.
Come again. Officer! Let me go! Officer! Officer!
I will start time to know. Wait. Go, give us. See, I give us what I knew. My bike! Let us tell us on the police. Give my seat. Oui, Seseyon! Oui, Seseyon! I know!
Non.
Papa, le bac est ici. Le bac est ici.
Mother, I want to ask one favor from you. Go ahead, the superior daughter of the goddess. Thank you, superior goddess. But let me ask you one question. Which would you want me to become? A loser or a winner?
You are a conqueror. You can never be a loser.
Mother, I want you to endow me with the gift of dancing.
The gift of dancing leads to the path of a loser. You are too sacred for such gift.
Mother, my betrothed
has been hijacked by that stupid Makosa dancer, and I want to own him back. The power possessing Olisa is beyond Makosa dance. Abari is revealing some things to me. I am beginning to see who that girl and her mother really are. Their destruction is near, Mother. I don't care what it is. I don't care who they are. All I want is the gift of dancing. I need to own that. Mother, I need to own my... I said no! You cannot be involved in such corrupt dance. Mother.
That girl will be highly disappointed in me and will never give me the slightest chance again. Oh God. What manner of girls are these? Kemuna and friends. So they now monitor me about. I really want to win Sisi's heart. And I almost did that before those things interrupted us. God forbid that I will give up on this girl. I must make sure she accepts me wholeheartedly. Whatever it will cost me, I will pay. I'll find so much peace in her. Mbano, I have to go and apologize to her first.
My elders, it is not good that an elder shall be at home and watch a she-goat deliver at his theater.
That's right.
It's
true. You are correct.
Okay, I don't know. It is now exactly 1 month that Abari left us with no information concerning the punishment for the girl that transgressed our traditions. And all of us know the consequences. We all know the consequences. By reason of age and experience, I know that there is always something prophetic about my feelings.
Nanyobi, Biko, bear us your feelings. Or is it that she is applying some sentiments in this matter?
Danger.
The fear one.
I see danger. I see calamities upon calamities. I see gross evil pervading the entire kingdom.
Maybe she's still consulting with Agbarai.
My fellow elders, for how long are we going to wait for Abari? We're used to Abari. Abari does not take such a long time to speak. So what is happening now? The consultation is not even necessary. Our tradition have begged along the punishment meant for those who transgress it.
You have a point there.
So why then? Why then must Abaralani now seek the gods now? Why?
Unujukwamo, Admasikwana Abaralani is being economical to have findings. Okutemu suspect.
Nayobi, let us go to Abaralani and find out
why the gods are so silent in this matter.
Right on. You are absolutely right.
You are correct.
In that case, we have to prepare ourselves. We shall leave at sunset. Meanwhile, I thank all of you for coming.
Thank you, Nanyoli. Thank you.
And this is my friend. My name is Awelika.
You can call me Sision.
What's no Sisi?
It's the Congo version of Isiomayon.
Okay. Sision, we want to ask you for a favor. Will you do it for us?
What's going on?
We want to be your friend.
Yes. And we like everything about you. Your dancing, your character, everything, your beauty. Please, let's be your friends.
Oh, it's okay. Get up.
Okay.
That's okay, Kwano, but me don't know you, Kwano.
Just ask us anything, we'll tell you.
Ask us and we'll tell you.
Okay, je parle français.
Ah, eh?
I mean, do you speak French?
I want French.
All those vous et que vous.
Ah, that's my mom. Who doesn't know her in this video? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Hi.
Sisi, oh?
Ma.
Sisi, oh?
Ma.
Who are they?
Ma, they're my first one.
Oh, Sisi, oh? Be careful, huh? Everyone wants to be your friend. They want to know who you are.
Oh, Mama, trust me. I know what I'm doing for now.
Sisi, be careful.
Ma, I am. Come to her. I know.
Okay.
Au revoir.
Bye bye, ma.
Au revoir, ma.
Oh. Yes.
That's my mama.
She's pretty. Yes, ma. We want to be like you people.
Well, not a problem. You will learn when I will teach you something.
Yeah. Okay. Akudere Karobi.
Oje meeting na bendi mmụọ. Ọkpọ nkụ ọbụla ọbụ. Mmiri ruru elu akwali mmadụ ka ọ ya ama. Okirikiri ka a na-agbupụ ose ara arụ ya enu. You are the daughter of Agbaranwany.
Yes, Ezemo.
Your mother is a sole custodian of a powerful and mighty deity.
Yes, Ezemo.
Why have you come seeking for this from me?
My mother has done all she could do.
You have done what you are supposed to do. Oh yeah, Mokwano Mado. Afokwalumantem. Antem Nokwanija. Take it. Call her name 3 times and speak what you want to happen to her.
Seigneur. May you lose all your Makosa dance skills.
Go. Locate her wherever she is and make sure you find her. When that is done, break the egg right on her feet.
Thank you.
Immediately that is done, all her dancing skills will be gone.
Thank you, Ezemo.
Go. Go! Go!
Seigneur.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
I got this grass cutter for you this afternoon.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Tu veux?
What do you want, Kono? Only Sion? You deaf, Kono?
You know I've never given you a gift before, so this is the first gift I want to give to you.
I have told you to stay away from me, Kono.
See, I promise you that nobody will ever touch you in this village. Nobody will touch you. I swear to God.
Merci, but I don't want anything from you, Kono.
Thank you for the mercy. You can hold the boku. Maybe later. But I want you to take this gift.
Only Sion.
Huh?
I can bite somebody, Kono. And when I bite the person, Kono, I swallow the person, Kono.
Senor, both of us we are talking the same thing. I did not bring you something that you only chew, but something that you will chew and swallow. Is it in bushmeat? If you roast it, you will know how sweet it is.
Oh, listen! It is your nose, Kono. I will bite your nose, Kono, and I will swallow it.
Oui.
Bite it, roast it, and swallow it, Kono. Stay away from me, Kono.
Oui.
Bomboclat.
Oui. Oui. I notice my nose will roast and. Superior goddess of Abari, we are worried over the way the gods have kept silence concerning the sacrilege committed against our tradition 1 month now. We fear the looming consequences.
Abari has finally spoken.
Good. Abarawai, what did he say?
He has shown me who the girl and her mother really are.
Who did he say they are?
It is dangerous, but I tell you, very, very dangerous, according to the laws of the spirits.
What happens to the girl awaiting the judgment of madness?
The girl and her mother must be banished from this land with immediate effect.
Good. Abarawai, is that all the gods want?
I speak not of my own will.
Then, elders of Obuavia, go now and do as the gods have commanded. Yes, banish both mother and daughter.
Fine, 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 shorty. Oh, yeah, contact for me, oh. me out to dance, cause I know so we dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you today. 1, 2, put on your shoes, give it 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, we always dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it front. Let me show you how we do this, not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mental, music on my hobby. All of them shock, cause I put these on you. Have your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living direct as life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living direct as life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. I'm gonna shoot tight, I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 dance. Enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living direct as life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living direct as life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine.
Mademoiselle Sabina, Anapotulamba. You dey scatter our head when you dey dance makosa. Tu m'appelles ce seigneur, allez-vous tous les vous. Samba makosa, yevu guamadevu.
This one you're hooting like an old beetle car. Don't quench here, I cannot push. Obono won't jump, Abi. You Obono, you won't jump. By the time I go draw you, nyan doggy, Egusi go draw past you. It's no sense in no huh?
Hold it there. See charcoal calling chalk black. If I catch you like cold, you go know every pneumonia patient, not be billionaire.
Man, sit there, man. So I don't know I want to soar like the eagle. Who dash you morale? My friend, just keep your mouth shut. If I go pack into this guy, they crazy.
I beg you, what you put on say? Make you put on say a cookie versus bulldog. You know last now. You know now, I beg park one side. I've seen enough native fowls. It's your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, if I thought they were great. And everything that goes there in your family, you open that your container mouth of talk. May you sleep with your eyes open. Onyala. Look at her. Yeah. I will show you here and now that if your mouth is as long as a kettle, that my own mouth is as wild as a community. Mon ami, attention la posée. That is what you have just said. Abra! Kadabra!
Big fools. Please forgive me.
Lele.
I'm very sorry. Please, I want to be your follower. Please let me follow you. Let me join your group.
Get up and follow me.
Ewu, follow me. Follow. Ewu.
Talk how you like you. Let be say, I like your way.
I don't know what is stopping us from challenging that girl in a dance. That girl is becoming the next big thing in this village. Because of that Hamakosa dance. She ate the egg. She ate the egg. The idiot ate the egg. She just reminded me, the daughter of who I am. I will so bury her alive. That is not the point. The problem now is that Makosa dancing. We have to pursue this girl before she will close the chapter in this village. Oh. Hey! Never. I know who I am. I know who I am. I didn't hear you say Makosa. What else? What else? Oh yeah. Ow, 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 whoever, ow, 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 whoever, ow, ow. I will go to your way. What's all that girl? Let it go, let it go. Oh yeah, bam,
Samba Makosa, ye bukwa madebu. Since you not come this village, things don't change. And I already Makosa one day till the day break. When do you Makosa?
Let's go. Come on.
I'm tired.
You're tired.
Hey. Sabina. There's something I wanted to tell you.
Sorry about that.
Something I wanted to tell you since.
Go!
My wife, there's something I had wanted to tell you.
I'm listening. Is that why you helped me to carry the goat? I'm listening.
Okay, I will tell you when we get home, eh? Hey, no way. See my cup. Hey. All right.
Let's go.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance.
So yeah. How are you?
Bonsoir.
I saw the way you danced the other day at the Makosa joint. You were fantastic. In fact, magical. Since then, I have not been myself.
Thank you.
Even last night, I dreamt and I saw you whining your waist. That is why I brought this. No, don't be afraid. It's ordinary cough. It's ordinary cough. It's cough. Hey, it's cough.
I thought it was something else, Pano. We'll put it back in the bag and put it there.
Okay.
I will dance small, Pano. Very small. Then you come to the Makosa joint in the evening. For you, young.
I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine. Yes, let me see this. Take up the things, all let me see this. Give her instruments, all let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that's the case. I the actor, action. I the do what she gets like a take. I the react to something like a take. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say never choke play Obama.
Bonjour c'est Seigneur, Afolengenanya, je m'appelle Bobo, il me fait nacho, English of French, talk a many how you like you. Anything be say, I like your way. Very bongo.
What is happening to me? Why can't I just concentrate and finish this work? I've only done a little since morning. Senhor. I really need a space in your heart. I just can't help myself any longer. In fact, I won't give up until I win your heart. Enough of this famine. I'll follow my heart first.
Talk a many how you like you. Anything be say, I like your way.
You have no reason whatsoever. I repeat, no reason whatsoever to do your own will against the will of the gods. Abari commanded that they must be banished, and so be it.
The president has a vice. The governor has a deputy, and the chairman has a vice.
Yes.
I'm thinking that Abarawa should have a vice, so that when the gods speak and she does not understand, the vice Abarawa will understand.
My question is, why did it take the gods such a long time to speak? And when did Abarawa become a stammerer?
Hey! Oh, it baffles me why Agbara is taking such a long time to say something. Oh, now I know. The gods, now they have a committee where they deliberate matters before they deliver it. Yes!
Nanobi, what we the elders are saying is that Abarawan made that declaration from her own personal point of view.
Yes.
Because she hates Sabina Makosa and her daughter. You are right.
You are right.
Shut up your mouth. Must I sit here and watch you talk against the gods of this land? Are you out of your senses? Hey, just hear yourselves. Listen to yourselves. Leaders of our land indeed. Did Abarawa cause the girl that transgressed our tradition to do so? Answer me. Did she force her to do so?
Nayobi, how am I sure that Cecilia actually played that music on that day? Then if so, why did the gods arrest Abarawa from inflicting her with madness?
May the gods strike her mouth there.
Hey.
What is wrong with you? Why are you talking as if you are manipulated? It is an unpardonable sacrilege to contest with the gods. And so I declare for the last time, go straight now and banish that woman and her daughter.
Nobody manage my wife.
Say move. Go and banish her. I'm talking to you. Has this woman charmed them or what? Where?
Why not? I am a manager of my son's business.
Get away from my side. How can this man be looking like
manage my son's business?
Drama box!
Why I'm smart in the mix. You just tryna see you. Yeah. You got this girl hanging out for you. That's what I is that what they want you. See this girl to like the love you. She wants to buy, she wants to shake back for me, shake back for me. Let's go again, rocking the body, making my money like Illuminati. Too much money, too much value, too much money. We've been balling, we've been calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, holla, she's like in my dollar, she's like in the hammer, she's in the dollar. It's a young and dizzy, we killing the beat. Although we not screening the hit, I get the power to make you defeat. Make you know though, you make me like this. When I they call me collar. When I sing, they call me baller. Back in the days when I get $10. Back in the days when I get $10. We've been balling, this thing you do to me, Allah. Everything you do to me, Allah. Baller, baby. See this girl, lady. Like the way you give me, make you know don't feel me. We've been balling, we've been calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, holla, she's like in my dollar, she's like in the hammer, she's in the dollar.
Kalale oh, mommy Kalale oh, as I love you down tonight. All this current, Peter go love you down tonight. All this current, Peter go love you down tonight. Skip to party, everybody they come to my party. Them say me I be Illuminati. Skip to party. Them say me I be Illuminati. Most serious oracle of the
I can see your wrath descending on your people for their disobedience. Show them mercy. Give them chance to amend their wrongs. Please, Abadi. Too late for poor people of Fulbofia. Let your will be done! The most superior oracle.
Please, I need your help.
Oh my goodness. You almost set my legs flying. Why would you run like a starving tiger? You fathom the gravity of this laryngitis you've conjured up in my biological, psychological, physiological, and metabolical system to this singular act of horrification of yours?
Please, one teacher, I didn't understand one single word from what you said. But from the look of your face, somebody must have upset you.
You did. You got me exasperated and you made me run like a starving tiger.
So sorry if I did. Sorry, Biko, when you were... but please, can you help me? You're my last resort now.
What is that that's compulsorily urgent than necessary?
You see, what teacher? I am a widower.
Point of correction. A divorcee. Omeka. A man who already has Dikeh in his marriage has a new nomenclature vis-a-vis divorce. So you're not a widower, you're a divorcee.
All right. I agree. Yes. I agree. But come, I met a woman who is God sent. But the problem is she's from Congo, from some place called Ghetto Lumpalayon.
Come on, strike the nail on the head and jettison this verbose jerry-made. I don't have the time.
Well, I'm sure she is my woman. So one teacher, please, teach me how to approach her in Ghetto Lumpalayon.
Oh, how to approach her? Good. From Congo to Zaire, and then to Ghetto Lepalayon. Get a pen and paper.
Hey, I don't have any.
So I can help you.
No, please. Can I write it on the ground?
Oh, you're free.
This is how you start. Le quanto, le quanon.
Le
quanon.
Non.
Mutuku attention.
Mutuku attention.
Correct. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Aliku la koube. Aliku la koube. Simple. La koube. And she's all yours.
This is all?
I wish you luck. I must be on my way now.
Hey, is that all? That is simple. Hey. Le quanon. Tuku attention. Merci beaucoup. Aliku lala kube. Very easy. Very easy. Aliku lala kube.
Bonjour, c'est Seigneur. Afolengenanya. You never me favor. I love you beaucoup.
Seigneur.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Tu veux?
Ici, Mayon.
Tu veux?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Tu veux?
What do you want, Kono?
Seigneur, see, I can't stop thinking about you.
Please, Seigneur, I've told you not to come to my house, Kono.
Seigneur, I love you so much. I love you so much. See, you've affected me. The love that I have for you is like an incurable disease. It has moved all over my body.
You call me disease, Kono?
No, not disease, Kono.
Monsieur,
huh?
Leave my house, Kono.
Seigneur. We, both of us.
Leave my house.
Both of us, we now.
You want me to show you get to no on your style?
No, Kono, no.
Seigneur. Leave my house, Kono. You call me disease, Kono.
No.
Oh, me, Sissinho from Ghetto Lopalayo. Me, Sissinho, disease. In my house, Kono. Oh, Sissinho, you're trying me. I will show you Ghetto Lopala style. Idiot, Kono. Oh, Sissinho, come to her. Come to her. Stupid. Jay-Z. I be smart on the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she da push, she da make me wine. The way she dance, the way she da push, she da make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the tank, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one that does the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtaking. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say never choke pain Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine.
I will lose concentration.
Oh, then. Do you want it take away?
I wish I could have what I want as take away.
So tell me, what do you want?
Do you speak Zaire?
Oh, how did you know that?
You know, from Congo to Zaire.
Oh,
I speak all languages.
Oh, that's my area. So tell me, what do you want? I'm waiting.
Hey. I'm coming now.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the tank, so let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, let us the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtaking. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never chop bread Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you over. Mama the sucker, we knock you over. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, your biggie body.
It's okay, man.
It's okay. He gave you no. It's okay.
Hey! Indeed, evil has descended on the land. Please, hold your heart. Be strong, please.
It's okay.
Why me? Why should it be my son? The only son that I had. I waited all these years. I got the son at my old age. Now tell me, how am I going to start again?
It's okay.
Hold yourself together.
Abarihi has shamed us by reducing himself to a mere kidnapper, and a cannibal one for that matter. So we now have a God that does not allow us to rest with two eyes closed. Hey,
this is the height of evil and oppression upon our people. The gods that we choose to serve cannot turn around and feed on us. We must do something.
Yes.
And we must do it fast to put an end to all this.
And if we don't do that fast, the oil that has touched one finger will stain the other fingers. Makani gebe onye akụkọ ntị ji ahụnye n'ọkụ erepịa ibo gadroma ndị iche.
So where do we start? How do we end this thing? From where do we start?
Yourself now. Oh my God. Okay now.
The first sons are dying. Please spare the life of my betrothed. I know he has been foolish, but I also know that he will come back to his senses. Please, I still love him no matter what. Mother, please spare his life.
I have no power to change the mind of Abari. I am only a mouthpiece of the superior oracle.
Mother, please, appease the gods for the sake of my betrothed. Mother, please, I still love him. Please, I beg you, with the day you conceived me in your womb, Mother, I am your blood.
Abari does not have eyes for blue blood. What is good for the goose is also good for the gander. Save your tears, my daughter. Let the land suffer the full weight of the wrath they incurred upon themselves. Now I know I am without a mother. Since you have refused to appease the gods, I shall devote my life to save the one that I love.
How dare you!
My daughter has become a stranger in the land of the spirit. I weep for you.
Nai, where are you going to? You, just yesterday, you lost your only son to Abari, and now you've dressed yourself up. Just take a look at yourself. Where are you going to? Makosa joint to go and drink yourself to sleep on.
Your mama, why is it in this village when a man dresses up to go out in the evening, people will think that he's going to Makosa joint for Igbo Abantelo? Why? We just lost our son. And I'm grieving for my son.
Before bro Makosa, can you imagine? Akwa Makosa, Aga Makosa nunu. Akwa giwa, ama anakiko Makosa. Do you have another better job to do? Is it not to go and drink? Go on Makosa Mepola.
I'm going to my friend's house.
I regret getting married to you. You're not ashamed of yourself. Swa!
To my belle, c'est Seigneur. Samba Makosa,
Jay-Z! I've been smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that dance the best. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never talk right about Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So you want follow me now, go down. So you want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage, now show down. My lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spare you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, your biggie body. Hey, fine, fine. me how to dance, cause I know so we dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took again. 1, 2, put on your shoes, give it 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, we always dance. Take it to the left, to the right, in front. Let me show you how we do this, love is in a talk. Allow me to my mental, music on my hobby. All of them shock, cause I body is hot. Have your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari.
Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Rock for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Rock for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine. We been calling, call and lay. Say I be love you, love and lay. Say we been calling, call and lay. Holla, holla and lay. She's like in my dollar, dollar and lay. She's like in me hammer, hammer and lay. She's like in me dollar, dollar and lay. It's a young and giddy, we feeling the beat. Although without it, it's feeling the heat. I get the power to make you repeat. Make you know dog, you make me like this. When I they call me collar. When I sing, they call me baller. Back in the days when I get $10. Back in the days when I get $10. We've been balling, balling, this thing you do to me, Allah. Everything you do to me, Allah. Sorry, baller, baby. See this girl, lady. Lady, where you give me, make you not go, feel me. We've been balling, balling, we've been calling, calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, balling, holla, holla, she's like in my dollar, dollar, she's like in me hammer, hammer, she's in me dollar, dollar.
Kalale oh, mommy yeah. Kalale oh, as I will love you down to the night. All this current, Peter go love you down to the night. All this current, Peter go love you down to the night. Skip up to party, everybody that come to my party. Them say me I be Illuminati. Them say me I be Illuminati, Illuminati. Skip up to party. Them say me I be Illuminati. Them say me I be Illuminati. They go come, enter my party, enter my party.
We've been balling, balling, we've been calling, calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, balling, holla, holla, she's like in my dollar, dollar, she's like in me hammer, hammer, she's in me dollar, dollar. We've been balling, balling, we've been calling, calling, say I be love you, love and love. Say we've been balling, balling, holla, holla, she's like in my dollar, dollar, she's like in me hammer, hammer, she's in me dollar, dollar.
With your hands, you are orchestrating your own calamity. Your sorrowful faces are nothing but masks shedding crocodile tears. And that's what both of you. Away with you! Away with all of you. I fear for my son. I just fear for my son abroad.
Nanyebi, Habariyi has hand in this.
It's okay.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Habariyi took the life of my son. My own son.
It's okay.
All of us know it. That Sabina Makosa is innocent.
Yes. She's innocent.
But
Abari has decided to paint this community, paint my family black for white. Okay. Must we continue to allow this to happen? Must we continue to allow this?
You must tell her by why to stop killing our sons.
You are right.
Nayobi, since Abaranwai has proven to be gate to hell, I think our next destination should be Ezemo.
Yeah, last bus stop.
Yes. Sabina's entry into our community is a blessing.
Oh, yes.
Virtually everything about her is sweet.
Yes, very well.
Hapami, if you go there, Hapami is sweet.
Apple
wine. If you drink it, your body will make her pepper soup. As sweet as anything. Virtually everything about her physical appearance is so sweet. And the sweetest of it all is her Makosa dance. She wobbles like this. The whole body shakes. I don't know why Abaranwai doesn't like good things.
That's of all Buofia. That's of all Buofia. If a man fetches firewood that is infested with ants, he has feasted lizards to royal banquet. I can now see how my people sold their sanity for these cheap liquids. In the bottle.
This man is talking to on Ako.
Elders of Obuafia, wake up! Wake up from your slumber.
My people, what do we still want here? Let's go and see Ezema immediately.
Let's go and see Ezema.
You are right. Let's go.
Mademoiselle Sabina, Anapoto Lamba, you just got the head when you did dance Makosa. And if you to live, Samba Makosa.
We all have first sons.
And they equally belong to us as much as they belong to our husbands. Therefore, we are not going to leave the responsibility of taking care of our children solely to our husbands.
No way.
We are going to march to the shrine of Abaranwai to seek her intervention to the sudden death that is fast claiming the lives of our children.
Yes.
Last week, it was Onuma's family. And my own this week. Who knows? Who knows? Whose own is going to be next week? Women, are we all here? No! Other women will meet us at Abaranwai's shrine. Oh, where you go from? Where is I? Let us march to the shrine of Abaranwai. wani kasi bi mma. Okuru akabado. Wani di mma. Onu na ekuru mo wani okofia. Your superior majesty. Please help save the lives of our firstborn children. We the women of Obofia cry out for your intercession. The land of Obofia has been possessed by two mighty evils. Until they miss their presence, nothing can be done.
Two mighty evils? Superior goddess, we have no such eyes to identify evil spirits.
The two mighty evil have possessed the heart of your husband with their evil drink and dance. And Señor.
Next one, Joe. Next one, no. Motsuku, attention. Merci beaucoup. Aliko la la Hey! Hi, one teacher. One teacher. C'est grave. Let one Joe. Let one no. Motsuku, attention. Merci. Hey! Ah! Merci beaucoup. What is the other one? Aliko la Lakoube. One teacher. One teacher. You are too much. You are too much. Hey! One teacher, you have taught me something. By the time I was summer, all this Ketu Lapalion, she will just fall in love with me. She will not only fall in love with me, but she will also collapse, man. I have to calm this thing very, very well.
Thank you.
Fine. What is it? What do you want?
Mister, what's wrong with you? It's not just a hug.
Hug. A hug. A hug. It is not only a hug. It is not only a hug. A hug. It is jam. Jam. Not only jam. Accident. See, if you're looking for what to hug, just go to the express. It's not far from here. Just go there. You see cars. You will just be hugging them. Be hugging the cars until you have an accident.
Okay. It's me. It's me. Okay. Meanwhile, that's not the reason I came here. The other day you saw me at the Makosa spot. You didn't even say anything. You didn't even look at me like you saw me there. Today I have come to do a customized special dance just for you. So enjoy it.
Louis-Claude Baka, Tigana Makambo, des adoptes. Kofinga mwase zamabe otokomina kangwasika. Soki oteli toyisi mite otika yekane. Mwana ye agoya zobli jalinga yoteo. Koche Bulai, Alaji Vava, na London. Kopeka mwase zamabe otokomina kangwasika. Soki likangwe zali bobongisa se maleme. Bakarese, promesse, affection, c'est l'amour. Willy Mbala, Dingy Joe. Kopeka mwase zamabe otokomina kangwasika. Soki likangwe zali bobongisa.
What's it now? Do you want to spoil it?
Spoil what? Huh? When you came, I was resting. I was busy resting, concentrating before you came to disturb me.
Olisa, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? When did you start shouting at me?
Oh, you want to know what is wrong with me? You want to know what has come over me? Okay, wait. What has come over me is inside. Let me go and bring it. Come. And I can bring it inside to bring it. Continue. Increase your radio. Put it. close it, and start. Be dancing, Dance your dance. Let me go inside and concentrate with my rest.
Olisa, the gods must hear this.
I'm going to take this palm wine to her to boost her business. Then she will know that I am a good man and I'm really in love with her. All my fellow widows, they have all managed to get new wives. That's my own story. Let me go and take a bath so that I look good and smell nice for her.
Sabina, wendi uku, uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendi 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 uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina.
Where are you going with all this?
I'm going to St. Teresa for Thanksgiving.
Ah, okay.
Come, Olisa, where are you going with that one?
This one? I'm going to St. Mary for prophetic offering.
Prophetic offering with palm wine.
Papa, why are you drinking medicine for my own headache? Ah, you also said you're going to St. Teresa with palm wine and yam.
Yes. The yam is for the church.
Okay.
And the palm wine is for the SMO.
I did not complain. Me too. I'm taking fuel to the church so that during the Thanksgiving their gen will not off. So it's the fuel they will use and put in the generator.
But this your fuel, it smells like palm wine.
This one? If you say so, you can still call it palm fuel.
Mademoiselle Sabina, Anapotulapa. You dey scatter our head when you dey dance makosa. Tu m'appelles ce seigneur, allez-vous tous les vous. Je vous. Samba makosa, ye bukwa madebu. Since you not come this village, things don't change. Ana yorizi makosa one day.
Yes, but this wine is for you. The best that I could get.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh.
The best in my store.
You know I know good palm wine.
Yes.
And I like it. Oh, good. Oh, you bring me water.
Hey.
Oh.
I thought, hey, I must have brought the wrong God. Oh. Hey, God, let me. Yes, sorry.
Oh.
I'll bring you the other one. Sabi, you know, last time I told you I wanted to tell you something in Zaya language, in Teto Lopalayon language. When I see a beautiful woman, the they told us to say this. Le quanto, le quanon. Mutuku, attention. Akilu, Aliku, là-bas, Koubé. Merci beaucoup. Aliku, Lala, Koubé.
Are you sure? Is that what you want?
I want it from my heart. It's only for you.
You want me to do that?
Oh yes, I want it from my heart.
That's what you want?
Yes.
Oh.
Le panto, le panon. Mutuku, attention. Merci beaucoup. Why you do this to me, baby?
That's what you asked me to do.
But I come here with a pure heart.
You asked me to pour you water. You even begged me in the name of God.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey,
what the janka? Hey! What the janka? Hey!
Stephanie!
See, I have come to express my love to you. See, but first, I want to tell you that I want to express my love to you in Ghetto Lapalayon, your own language.
Oui?
Yeah.
Ghetto Lapalayon?
Le Quanto le Quanon. Mukutu Attention. Merci beaucoup. Aliko Lalapose.
Oluseyon.
Oui.
You mean it?
I mean everything, every word that I have just said, I mean it. From the bottom of my heart.
Répétez.
Huh?
Répétez. Repeat.
Oh, repeat. Repeat. Okay. Repeat. Le Quanto le Quanon. Motuku Attention. Oui. Merci beaucoup. Aliko Lalakoube.
You mean it?
I mean everything from the bottom of my heart. I have told you, I just came to express my love to you.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème. Pas de problème.
C'est sinon.
Qu'est-ce que le problème?
Ouais, quoi, non?
Oui. That's... You told me, Kwano, to do it, Kwano. I did everything you said I should do, Kwano.
C'est sinon, non, Kwano, non, Kwano. Professor, oh, c'est sinon. C'est sinon, Kwano, non. Oh, why, Kwano, no? Professor, one teacher. Kwano, no.
Who done this house? Who done for this house? If you don't say you hear my voice, make only you will come outside now. Before I count three. 1 1.5 2.
Qu'est-ce qu'il c'est?
Take your time. Obia, talk to her. Tell me what is the offense.
Yes, she's the witch that used her stupid, useless Makosa dance to snatch my betrothed.
Makowati?
Makosa.
So now you that they complain for? Because you feel say na your country be this one our village. You are under arrest for putting asunder with your big wala blokotosenda Makosa dance.
I didn't do anything, Kwano.
You are a criminal Makosa dancer.
I'm not a criminal, Kwano.
In fact, if you don't want me to double your face, you better come here and display that your Makosa dance right here and now.
You want to listen to my music, Kwano?
You go get sense just now. May you not come here and display it for me.
Not the problem. Not the problem.
Jay-Z. say never show afraid of her. Mama, this sucker, we knock you back. Mama, this sucker, we knock you back.
Dance so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now. Go down, so she want follow me now. Go down, so she want follow me. Go down, me and you for stage now. Show that, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spare you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Your biggie body. Fine, 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 shorty. Oh yeah, come dance for me. Oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine.
Dance, let me see dance. Come to my party, let me see dance. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you today dance. 1, 2, put on your shoes, give it 4. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, we always dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward. Let me show you how we do this, not be saying I talk. Allow me to my mental, music on my hobby. All of them shock, cause I go to his watch. Have your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari.
Dance, 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 dance. Enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living the reckless life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Roll for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living the reckless life.
Omega, please. Please help me.
Say what you want. What is it? I'm going somewhere.
Please help my dying wife. Please help my dying wife. Biko.
Help
Omega, Biko, Nyelumaka, Biko.
Help you and your dying wife. Should I die for her?
No. Please help me with 5,000 naira to deposit in the hospital for her treatment. I will surely pay you back. The moment the money my son sent from the city arrived in 2 days' time.
Now you are telling me what you actually want. Alright. Come on. Didn't me and you see 4 days ago?
Yes. During the elders' meeting.
You should have begged me for the money then. Hey. You see, you poor people don't know how to monitor the rich. On that day, I had over 50,000 naira in my pocket, cash. Huh?
So, what are you saying?
Well, you should have begged me for the money that time.
Hey. But my wife just fell sick this morning.
And who is to blame? Is it your wife who did not fall sick when I had the money 4 days ago? Or is it you who has come to beg me the money now that I have no money at all? Anyway, no wasting time. Look, as a friend and as a brother that I am, I want to advise you. You should go to Mazi Opara's house. Now. Yesterday I bought rabbit from him for 5,000 naira. But don't tell him I told you.
Nayogi, please help me. My wife is dying, and I don't want her to die. Please help me. I have run to all my friends and even my family members. Not one is ready to help me. Now, Biko.
It's alright. How much do you say is her treatment money?
Just 5,000. I will ever remain grateful to you.
It's alright. Calm your heart. Just stand up. Ikuku.
Nine.
You're back.
Is it complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Very well then. I want one name. This is 7,000 naira. Run and treat your wife so she will not die. It's 7,000. I trust you. Go and treat.
You will live forever, nothing will happen to you.
Thank you. Stand up.
As we stand.
Yes, stand. Run as fast as you can to save her life.
I will.
Save her life so she will live. And do extend my greetings to her.
I will.
Tell her I wish her a quick recovery.
Thank you, Nai.
Go.
Thank you.
Mademoiselle Sabina, and a boat to the scatter over head when you the dance makosa. To my belle, c'est seigneur, and a vous to lève. Samba makosa, you kuba madebu. Since you not come this village, things don't change you. And I always someone they break you. Wendy uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendy uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina. Wendy uku makosa. Nukutuku, uku Sabina.
So you came to my house to borrow 5,000 naira. I direct you to meet Obara that he will give you money. And this is you told me you need the money for your wife who's in hospital. Eh? And this is what you are using the money to do, to drink palm wine and chop all that meat. Eh? Did you give me money? But I gave you the contact. I gave you the contact so you receive money. But I told you my son is sending money from the city. You told me 5 days after. 5 days your son will come. Is this 5 days now? Is it 5 days? Eh? Is it 5 days? Is that so? I know who you are now. I know you. Now, go straight there and buy my own meat and my own drink because I gave you the contact to get that money. Well, yeah. Yes, I give you. Go, come, let's go. Come and buy my own. Yes.
Mademoiselle Sabina, and a boat to Lampa. You the scatter our head when you the dance makosa. To my belle, c'est seigneur, and a vous to lève. Samba makosa, you buba madebu.
Where am I own? Oh, well, I'm treating it just like a own. Bring it. Bring a glass and give him a drink. Give him meat also.
What is happening to these elders actually? But we agreed to this time together, and up till now none of them bothers to show up. I don't think I can take this again from them. Ikuku. Now run. Go and tell the elders in council that I am not happy with them. Huh? Run as fast as unless and carry you. Oh?
I shall do as you said.
Good.
This Makosa dance must stop in this village. So that our husbands will return back to their senses. Not only that, Sabina Makosa and her daughter Sesnyon must also surrender the shams which they use to manipulate our husbands. Even that evil wine she feeds our husbands with, not going to fall in love with her. We must trace that root and cut that palm tree down. What nonsense!
our husbands no longer find anything good about us. No, share the same bed with us. Ogini, we must fight for our rights. We must all fight for our rights.
My fellow Obofia women,
is it when our husbands begin to commit suicide that we shall arise and put Sabina and her useless daughter where they belong? We must fight now. We must fight.
So what are we now waiting for?
We are fighting. The fight. I said the fight. No! It begins now. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. We not agree. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. We not agree. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. 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 Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. We not agree. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree. We not agree. We not agree. We not agree. Sabina Bakosa, we not agree.
Onyoshi! Onyoshi! What happened to the rappers your mother is searching for? What happened to those rappers?
No, I swear I didn't touch the rappers.
Oh, liar! I didn't say you touched them. You didn't touch them, but you took them. Look, I want you to listen and listen good. If you know what is good for you, I give you before evening. If you don't bring those rappers, even if it means going to the Jupiter or Mercury to bring them, you better do so. Because if you don't do that, I promise you, by tomorrow morning, you will wake up in your grave.
Mama, I didn't touch any rapper. I don't even know what.
Liar! Liar! Then who did? You're the only girl in this house. When did rats and cockroaches in this house start starring rapper? I don't know.
Woman. That is not the issue now. Whether rats or cockroach tie rappers, that is not the issue. The issue that I have made my point, and that is final.
Liar!
Did you hear me?
Woman, warn your stupid husband. I am not interested in tying another woman's wrapper or becoming a second wife. Warn your husband. Warn your husband. Sabina Bakosa kitchen openjenye. Hey, you check and Niko. You say them a buogi. Oni Sabina Bakosa.